Are you adequately healed from your previous injuries? This may sound like it's just for her, but I've had lots of men reluctant to ask their wives on dates because she blasted him last time he asked. Some guys are reluctant to initiate conversations because they're afraid that they're going to get hurt. The person who hurt you can help you, but is not the one that heals you. The person who hurt you, at best, can be a nursemaid in the healing process, but not the surgeon or the healer. Don't rely on him or her to be the primary source of your healing. To complete your healing, you will at least need a savior and healer, and quite possibly a surgeon.